What's up everyone, Alessandro the Crypto here and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. Today we are not only gonna cover Bitcoin, we have also different new events that are coming up, guys, that I want to share first with you. So welcome everyone that is subscribed, of course, in this new channel. Shout out to our community, guys. We have now 32 subscribers. Thank you for your great support, guys. Also big shout out to Shogun Crypto, this multi-year supporter, and of course to say thank you, guys. I have now organized a nice $100 worth of meme coins giveaway that we are going to do every time that we're gonna reach 100 subscribers. And how to participate? Very easy, guys. As soon as we have 100 subscribers, with every 100 subscribers step, we're gonna do a $100 giveaway. I'm gonna also combine it with a tutorial how to invest into, for example, Pepe, Dogecoin, Shiba, and so on. And those $100 worth of meme coin, basically, we're gonna then give away here in our community. The only thing that you have to do is, of course, first of all, be subscribed. Second, sign up to Bybit. The link is here in the video description, because you have to comment on every video until we reach again 100 subscriber. A comment, whatever comment you want, like hello or nice TA or how are you, and then also put your Bybit UID, and the UID must be signed up from this link that you find in the video description. I can check the UID if you signed up with my link. If yes, then I can send you an internal transfer from Bybit to your Bybit account. So the only thing that you have to do is to register with a new account here over on Bybit. Sign up, and then of course you are eligible for the giveaway. But make sure to at least in every video put a comment and also your UID, because I randomly will then select in one or the other video the lucky winner, and of course also distribute then directly those $100. The only thing that you have to do is really sign up to Bybit exchange. It's anyway one of the best exchanges out there. In case that you cannot do that, then make sure to sign up to Mexi Global, the other exchange, because currently here also you can just comment and put the UID there and maybe the name of the exchange where you are at, and then of course I can make an internal transfer. Because also here on Mexi Global we have a special event going on right now for the next 6 days. You can also register to this event. You can see that you can win up to $15,000 prize pool here on this event, and also win an Apple iPad Pro, Apple TV, and of course also other tokens. This is only valid for the next 6 days, and until we're gonna reach the next 100 subscriber milestone. I am collecting basically all comments in every video. That's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys, and I keep you updated also with the giveaway. Today also we're gonna have an update on some new coins that are already out and that are upcoming. I have a completely new coin that I have discovered that is looking quite promising. It is called Cookie DAO. We're gonna have a look into that, and of course first we're gonna have a Bitcoin TA. So shout out to all the community, guys, and now let's dive here straight into the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, because we have now a new week started, a new month has started. So we're gonna have a look into the major time frames, the bigger time frames that are of course much more relevant. And you can see that I still have my short opened since $108,000. I didn't close my short yet because I believe that we could see more downside in the next coming days and weeks before we are gearing up here for a massive move to the upside. So in the 4-hour time frame, we are in theory still in an uptrend, since we are above the 200 moving average here at $103,000. But I think it's very likely that Bitcoin now will go a bit sideways here at the 200 moving average, same like we did over here, before eventually we're gonna retest here the low 90s again. I think this would be currently the worst case scenario of this short-term move that we are seeing. The best case is of course that after retest this support that we again skyrocket into new all-time highs, and the only time will tell. But at the moment all indicators are shifted to the downside. We have negative money flow on all ends, and also here on the daily time frame. So as long as we don't have really daily closes, some daily closes above the median line of the calendar channels, we're gonna remain in this downtrend. And if you think that yesterday we closed above the top side of the calendar channels, guys, in my opinion this is just because it was a weekend. If we go over into the CME chart, here actually we are above the top side of the calendar channels. Okay, this is a bit surprising for me. I thought we were below, but that's actually a good sign. If here on the CME chart we are above the top side of the calendar channels. So yeah, let's see. Not bad, not bad. I really thought we were below. I didn't check the charts yet, guys. I'm just having my first coffee and I'm doing this TA now with you. I also didn't check the charts, but that's quite interesting. I thought we were below the median line of the calendar channels. So let's see if from here on we could already see a big bounce. Because remember, in the long term, we are still bullish. Money supply, the M2 money supply is going higher and higher. So in theory, although the Bitcoin price is currently very much correlated to it, we should expect after a consolidation phase like here or here or here or even here, that the Bitcoin price will go to much higher levels. Also here on the weekly time frame, you can see we started a new week, and yes, we had so many weeks in green, so it's normal that at some point we are coming down with a few red candles, and of course it has important support levels. We also have now bearish divergence. It's not a big one, but we have a slight bearish divergence between which high was it, here and here. So this high and this high ended up now in a bearish divergence, and also you can see that we are about to get a sell signal very soon on the weekly time frame. This can of course take some time until it's going to play out, but once it is playing out, once we get here a sell signal, we're gonna retest here the major support, which is of course the 20 weekly moving average, currently at 94k. And as long as we are not coming down to test 94k, and here probably we're gonna have a sell signal very soon. That doesn't mean that we're gonna enter into a bear market. That just means that we're coming down to test important support levels, and right now it would be down here at around 94k. So watch out for that, guys, if you're trading with me right now. And also on the monthly time frame, I told you as well that up here at the top set of the calendar channels, this is a really big warning sign. Because normally, whenever Bitcoin is not able anymore to push above the top set of the calendar channels with the monthly closes, not with the wicks, with the closes, that is usually the end of the bull run. And since time-wise I'm not expecting that this is the case, I think we still have the chance here to move on to the upside. All the money flow is extremely stable and good. Of course, we are in toppy territory here based on different indicators, but this is really what we want to see, that Bitcoin is finally pushing again above the top side of the calendar channels and is not getting rejected like here, for example, or also after previous bull runs when the cycle top was in, we always got rejected there, and afterwards we have seen a big crash. So let's hope we can avoid that, but yeah, we will see. At the moment, the monthly is not looking really too great, guys, but I think that maybe after another retest here of the low 90s, it is possible that Bitcoin finally is gearing up for this move to the upside, just because of the M2 global money supply, guys, and of course also because of other indicators. I just don't expect that the cycle top is already in, but of course we are more closer to the end of this bull run than at the beginning, in my opinion, for this cycle, before we maybe enter into a bear market. And also, that's it for Bitcoin, guys. If you want to trade those events, of course, you can do that on the best crypto exchanges, in my opinion, that I'm also using, Maxi Global, Bybit, and so on. Of course, everything, no financial advice, just my own opinion, and so on. And also, if you want to check out the newest coins that are upcoming, here the list. And we have, of course, today the last day of Mind of Pepe. This one is launching in 1 day and 1 hour. This is really the last chance to get on board into this one here if you want, guys. The price per coin is the listing price on exchanges, so this is really like the final chance for Mind of Pepe. In this one here I bought already. If you want to check it out or get on board, then make sure to be using the link in the video description. Connect the DeFi wallet that you want. In my case, it is MetaMask, and then you're ready to go. If you're buying for the long term, buy with staking, 200% staking rewards. Your coins will have a lockup period of 7 days then, but the rewards are immediately claimable. And if you're buying for the short term, then just buy without staking. Then you can immediately claim your coins right at launch. So check that out, guys. And we have Mind of Pepe and of course also Selexi that are upcoming. This one is ending in 14 days. So also here, let me refresh. Also here, if you want to buy, connect the wallet like MetaMask, for example, and then you can invest, for example, with Tether, Ethereum, and so on. Check them out, guys. Currently, they are very hyped. Most of them, a lot of people are talking about the launch that is upcoming very soon. And something else that I also wanted to cover, guys, I don't know exactly yet how this one is going to work, but Cookie.fun, in my opinion, could be also a very good project here for the long term to use. And of course, also if you want to trade the coin, you can do that on Maxi Global. Currently it is quite up, so since it launched, of course it is down, but in the last couple of days it did quite a run. So let me just quickly change here the chart. where is it? So since the bottom to the top here, it had a huge run of 400%, and I like the project quite a lot. So I'm just getting started. I'm just trying to figure out how this is working, but it's going to be basically kind of a, you have to log in with X, so with Twitter, and you have basically to give your sentiment here or do posts of your sentiment about some coins, for example, Bitcoin, Pump, Fun, Ethereum, Abstract, and so on. And if you know this one already, how this is working, let me know that in the comment section, guys. But I found this project quite interesting, and I definitely gonna have a look into that and also participate on it and also buy some of the coins, because I think that here we are buying basically at the lows, where also here we had a lot of resistance. And if this one now is becoming new support, of course, also here we have great upside. But I think it is important also to have the coin probably here for the project itself as well. So let me know, what do you think about it, guys? I just wanted to share it with you. And of course, if you want to be part of this giveaway system, make sure to sign up to Bybit or Maxi Global. Leave your UID and a comment in the comment section in every video until we reach 100 subscribers. Then we're gonna do the giveaway and so on. We're gonna repeat this all over again with every 100 subscribers milestone until we're gonna reach 15,000 subscribers, guys. Yes, that's the plan. All right, thank you for your great support, and we're gonna see us later on with another update video on some other coins, of course. So thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.